Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The ratio in which the line segment joining the points P minus 3, 10 and Q 6, minus 8 is divided by O minus 1, 6 is. Now here we use ratio formula. If a point x, y divides line joining x1, y1 and x2, y2 in m1 is to m2 ratio, then x, y is given as m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 and comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Now we simply put values in this formula and find the required ratio. We know that ratio is m1 is to m2, x is minus 1, y is 6, x1 is minus 3, y1 is 10, x2 is 6 and y2 is minus 8. So we put minus 1 comma 6 equal to m1 into 10 plus m2 into 6, sorry, not m1 into 10, m1 into 6 plus m2 into minus 3 divided by m1 plus m2, comma m1 into minus 8 plus m2 into 10 divided by m1 plus m2. Now we can find the required ratio using any of the two coordinates, equating any of the two. So we can equate minus 1 with this or 6 with this. So let's equate minus 1 with m1 into 6 plus m2 into minus 3 divided by m1 plus m2. Expanding, we get minus m1 minus m2 equal to 6m1 minus 3m2. Now let's take all the m1s on one side and all the m2s on other. So we get minus m2 plus 3m2 equal to 6m1 plus m1, and thus we get 2m2 equal to 7m1, and we get m2 upon m1 upon m2 equal to 2 upon 7. So let's see what are the options. Yes, answer is 2:7, option C.